Hi, my name is Crystal. I live in Lakewood. I had Peterson Electric come out to replace my smoke detectors. I did not realize that they have a 10-year life, but he was prompt, on time, courteous, trustworthy, awesome. I can't wait till they go out again.
Thank you. So would
Thanks.
you hire us again?
Absolutely. I hope something else goes wrong just so you'll come back.
Thank you. And then what was wrong with your smokes? Were they freaking out or?
They were all going off at once. I thought there was a fire in my house. I had to have my neighbor come and remove them, but Josh came out and fixed everything. It's perfect now.
Right on. Thanks, Crystal. We appreciate it. Have a good day.
Thank you. You too. Bye-bye.